In this video, we are going to learn how we can handle the sales order of the finished goods with zero stock. And that happens most of the times when you are dealing with a manufacturing scenario. You receive the sales order for the finished goods that you haven't yet produced. So what kind of strategy do we take in that? Let's see. This transaction says sales order received from Scott Anderson. Sales order number is 24 and we have received the orders of shirts and pants. But in this assignment, we are considering that we only had opening balance of raw materials and until now we haven't manufactured anything. So what we can do in this situation, because this is a very practical situation in manufacturing companies, you normally receive the order of finished goods even before producing it. So let's see how we can deal with it. Now I'll go to the sales order and let's enter Scott Anderson. The date of order is 5th of January. Order number is 24. Now let's start entering the order. We have the order of shirts and pants. So when we select shirts, it will show you this caution that you don't have sufficient quantity available to sell at this point. So not enough quantity error shows up, but let's ignore this and click OK because we are not selling at this point. We are just entering the order. We will only deliver or convert sales order to sales invoice only when we manufacture the items, right? So we will take the order. We will not miss any single order. So 3000 is ordered. 400 is the rate. And let's enter pence now. Again, let's ignore this. And 2000 is the quantity. Rate is 500. Now why it's not suggesting the rate? That's because when we created the items, we didn't know about the sale prices, only that's why it's not showing here. So this is all of 5th of January, all okay. Let's click on save and new. And let's also see that if I select Scott Anderson now and select the item here, will it suggest the rate? No, it's not suggesting the rate because it's not updated in the backend system. I'll show you in the price list how we can customize that. So follow all of the videos up till the end. And guys, this is how you can receive the sales order even if you don't have the stock of finished goods in QuickBooks.